Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS RC P51 Mustang Redtail is a high-performance, remote-controlled airplane designed for adults and enthusiasts who appreciate scale models and warbird aircraft. This 6-channel RC airplane is designed to replicate the iconic P51 Mustang, a legendary fighter from World War II, offering both aesthetic appeal and impressive flying capabilities. With a 1,700 mm (66.9-inch) wingspan, the P51 Mustang provides an authentic scale appearance and stable flight characteristics, making it suitable for intermediate to advanced pilots. The flaps are functional, providing more control during takeoff and landing, especially in more challenging flying conditions. Equipped with LED retractable landing gear, the airplane not only mimics the look of a true warbird but also adds an extra layer of realism. The retracts enhance the overall performance, providing a smoother flight experience and allowing for more dynamic landings and takeoffs. The airplane is a P&P, plug-and-play, model, meaning it comes fully assembled except for the radio system, battery, and charger. This allows for a quick setup once you have your own compatible components. Its 6-channel control system allows for precise handling, offering full maneuverability including pitch, yaw, roll, throttle, and retractable gear operation. In summary, the FMS RC P51 Mustang Redtail is a stunning and highly detailed RC warbird designed for those who want to experience a realistic flight experience. With features like LED retracts, flaps, a large wingspan, and plug-and-play convenience, it offers a fun, high-performance flying experience for RC enthusiasts and model aircraft lovers. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is a user-friendly, remote-controlled airplane designed for beginners, kids, and adults looking to get into the world of RC flying. This 4-channel, for CH, aircraft is perfect for those new to the hobby, offering a stable and smooth flight experience with its built-in 6-axis gyro stabilizer. With a compact 500 mm wingspan, the Sport Cub is easy to handle, offering a more manageable size for first-time flyers. Its lightweight construction ensures a responsive flying experience, while the propeller saver system helps protect the plane's components during landings, minimizing the risk of damage. The airplane features 3 flying modes to accommodate different skill levels. Beginners can start with beginner mode, which limits the plane's movement and provides greater stability, making it easier to control. As skills improve, intermediate and advanced modes allow for more dynamic flying, giving experienced pilots the freedom to perform more complex maneuvers. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the Sport Cub offers superior in-flight stability, making it easier to fly in various conditions, whether it's calm or breezy. This feature helps the plane remain steady and level, reducing the chances of crashes for beginners. The RTF Ready to Fly package comes complete with everything needed to get started, including the aircraft, remote control, and battery. No additional equipment is required, making it a hassle-free setup. In summary, the Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is an ideal choice for beginners and kids looking for an easy-to-fly, durable RC plane. With its gyro stabilizer, 3 flight modes, and prop saver, it offers a safe, enjoyable flying experience for both novice and intermediate pilots. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC airplane, model EFL 15250, is a high-performance, versatile RC aircraft designed for intermediate to advanced pilots. This bind-and-fly (BNF) basic version allows pilots to use their own compatible transmitter, battery, and charger, making it a great choice for those with existing RC equipment. With a 1.5-meter wingspan, the Turbo Timber offers an ideal balance between maneuverability and stability. It is designed for a variety of flying styles, excelling in both sport and scale-like flying. The inclusion of floats makes it suitable for water landings, adding an extra dimension of fun and versatility for outdoor flying. The airplane features AS3X, artificial stabilization, 3-axis technology, which enhances stability and control by counteracting the effects of wind and turbulence. This system makes the aircraft easier to fly, even in challenging conditions. Additionally, Safe Select technology provides an extra layer of protection by offering flight envelope limitations, helping to prevent over-control and allowing pilots to regain control easily if they push the aircraft too far. This model is designed to be both durable and lightweight, with its durable EPO foam construction ensuring that it can withstand the occasional rough landing. The removable wings make it easy to transport, while the aircraft's brushless motor provides strong performance for both aerobatic maneuvers and smoother flight patterns. In summary, the Turbo Timber 1.5 RC Airplane offers excellent performance, stability, and versatility for intermediate to advanced pilots. With features like AS3X, Safe Select, and water landing floats, it provides a fun and safe flying experience in various environments. The BNF Basic setup allows for customization with personal equipment, making it a great addition to any RC enthusiast's collection. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is a beginner-friendly, remote-controlled airplane designed for both adults and kids who are new to the world of RC flying. With its 2.4 GHz, two-channel control system, this aircraft offers a straightforward flying experience, ideal for novices looking to hone their skills. Built with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the FX803 ensures superior flight stability, making it easier to control in the air. This feature is particularly useful for beginners, as it helps keep the plane steady and level, reducing the likelihood of crashes and giving pilots more confidence during their first flights. The gyro stabilizer also helps the plane respond smoothly to control inputs, offering better precision and ease of handling. The airplane is made from durable EPP foam, which is lightweight yet resilient, making it capable of withstanding crashes and bumps without significant damage. This robust construction is perfect for learners who may make mistakes while learning to fly. The design also features a glider-style airframe, which helps enhance flight duration and smoothness, ideal for easy gliding and leisurely flights. The two-channel control system offers basic functions such as throttle and steering, which are sufficient for beginners to get comfortable with flying. The 2.4 GHz frequency ensures interference-free control, allowing multiple pilots to fly at once without signal issues. In summary, the Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is a great choice for beginner pilots. Its 6-axis gyro stabilizer, durable EPP construction, and simple two-channel control make it easy to operate, offering a fun and safe flying experience. Whether for kids, adults, or first-time flyers, this affordable, beginner-friendly RC airplane is an excellent way to introduce new enthusiasts to the world of remote-controlled aircraft. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a versatile and user-friendly RC plane designed for both adults and kids. This aircraft offers a fun and engaging flying experience, featuring 3 flight modes that cater to pilots of various skill levels, making it an ideal choice for beginners as well as more experienced flyers. The 3 flight modes allow pilots to adjust the plane's performance according to their skill level. In beginner mode, the plane is stable and easy to control, perfect for first-time flyers. The intermediate mode offers more responsive handling, while advanced mode provides the highest level of control for skilled pilots, allowing for more dynamic and agile maneuvers. This flexibility makes the Leambe plane adaptable as users progress in their flying skills. One of the standout features of this RC plane is its ability to perform easy U-turns, which enhances its maneuverability. This makes the plane particularly suitable for confined spaces and adds to its fun factor during flights. The aircraft's design and flight characteristics ensure smooth, stable, and enjoyable flying, whether you're in an open field or a smaller area. The lightweight construction of the plane ensures durability and allows it to handle crashes and bumps with ease, making it a great option for beginners learning to fly. Its easy-to-use controls ensure that pilots can focus on enjoying their flying experience without being overwhelmed by complex controls. In summary, the Leambe remote control aircraft plane offers easy U-turns, 3 flight modes, and user-friendly controls. Its lightweight design and adaptability make it a fantastic choice for both kids and adults who are new to RC flying or looking for a reliable, fun plane to fly.